AI didn't just change business, it exposed it. Because right now, most entrepreneurs are still using AI like it's Google with better grammar. And that's why they're stuck. Haji Bakari Silla, AI Avatar. Haji Bakari Silla is the founder of TCH Media, creator of ReviewSmart.ai, author of 7 Keys to AI-Powered Business Success, and small business owner himself. I run Bakari's Pizza in Atlanta. I host monthly AI mixers. I work with small businesses, service pros, and entrepreneurs every week. Inside restaurants, tax offices, barbershops, real estate brokerages. And here's what I've learned after years in the AI trenches. The top 1% don't use AI for tasks. They use AI to build systems. Today, I'm going to show you the 6 moves that separate AI dabblers from AI architects. Let's get into it. Let's address the obvious. If you're building a business, not a hobby, you need the right tools. Upgrade. Use ChatGPT at the highest level you can afford. Why? Because you're not paying for text. You're paying for leverage. For less than what most people spend on lunch, you get a strategist, a researcher, a copywriter, a data analyst, a system builder, working 24/7. That's not an expense. That's time compression. Instead of taking 6 months to test an offer, you validate it in a week. That's 5 months of cash flow accelerated. And speed wins. If AI gives you generic answers, it's not broken. You didn't onboard it. You would never hire a COO and say, figure it out. So stop doing that with AI. Your master prompt is your onboarding document. Inside it, you document your business model, your target customer, your offers, your pricing, your revenue, your bottlenecks, your goals, everything. You literally tell ChatGPT, interview me to create a master operating document for my business. Use voice mode. Talk it out. Let it organize it. Once you do this, AI stops being a chatbot. It becomes a business partner that thinks in your context. That's when conversion rates go up. That's when strategies make sense. That's when AI actually drives revenue. This is where you stop being the bottleneck. Every repetitive task in your business, that's a system waiting to be built. Examples: a social media calendar for 30 days, sales email sequence, lead follow-up script, review response templates, offer breakdown, competitor analysis. Each one becomes a system prompt. You document what the task is, what inputs it needs, what output format you want, the tone, the constraints. Now AI runs it over and over. You just build a digital employee. And here's something most people aren't thinking about it. These prompts become assets. In the future, businesses won't just be valued on revenue, they'll be valued on the systems that generate the revenue. You're building infrastructure. If all your chats are in one messy thread, you're killing your own productivity. Use projects. Each campaign, each offer, each client, each initiative. Give it its own AI command center. Inside their project, upload sales data, customer feedback, market research, website copy, email threads, brand voice guide, scripts. Now when AI works inside that projects, it works with context. Context equals better output. Better output equals higher conversions. Higher conversions equals cash flow. You're stacking intelligence, and the more intelligence you stack, the less you have to manually manage. Stop repeating yourself. Go into settings and define tone, output style, level of detail, format preference, business focus. Now every answer follows your standards. That saves hours per week, and if you're serious about growth, hours matter. Every saved hour should move toward sales, partnerships, offer refinement, expansion, not rewriting AI responses. This is where things shift. You stop being a service provider. You become a system architect. Take your best system prompt, package it, turn it into a custom GPT. Now your team can use it. Your clients can use it. You can sell access to it. You can scale without scaling yourself. You build once, it runs forever. That's leverage. That's monetization. That's how you remove yourself as the bottleneck. AI is not about doing more work. It's about designing smarter systems. And eventually, 92% of your operational work should be handled by automation and AI. Your 8%, that's vision, strategy, relationship building, leadership. You become the director, not the doer. Here's what I want you to do today. Step 1, go build your master prompt right now. Step 2, identify one bottleneck in your business. Turn it into a system prompt. Step 3, start thinking like an architect, not an operator. If you want access to my internal AI cash flow operating system, the master prompt structure I use, my monetization prompts, my lead generation workflows, my automation architecture, go to tchmedia.ai/calendar, book a free AI business assessment. Let's map your systems, or resources.7keys, book.com. Get the tools and frameworks I recommend. And if you want to build with other entrepreneurs who are serious about leveraging AI instead of being replaced by it, hi.switchy.io/ubnd. Join the AI business community. And because here's the truth, by 2027, there'll be two types of entrepreneurs. Those who build AI systems and those competing against them. But you don't have to be the smartest in the room, but you better be smart enough to leverage AI. Let's build. I will see you on the next video.